Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the item, now equip it. Open your inventory immediately with I or the menu, then find the purchased item. Look at the tooltip to confirm it's the right type and that you meet level or class requirements. If a mod or enchantment is required, note that now. Once done, highlight the item and use the equip key or drag it to the correct slot to begin applying it. This first action moves you from buying to using the gear. Now complete the middle steps that finalize the equip. Drag the item into the target slot or press the equip key. If attachments exist, open the attach menu and add mods, scopes, or skins before confirming. Make sure to resolve slot conflicts by unequipping lower priority gear or toggling alternatives. If the item consumes a slot or changes stats, watch the stat panel update. Take a moment to compare. Finish by confirming the equip and saving the loadout or assigning the item to a quick slot for fast access. Once equipped, test in a safe area to verify animations and stats changed as expected. If visuals or numbers don't update, reload the UI or restart the game to force a refresh. If you're blocked by requirements, inspect upgrade paths, craft missing components, or use the refund/trade option. This final troubleshooting step solves the common issues that stop items from functioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.